Hello, everybody. Long time no see, and we have a special game today, which is taking a really huge part in my heart, which calls the Star Wars, the Dark Forces, and it's remastered. So, in the vast expanse of the Star Wars universe, where the heroes clash, the villains admit, and one game stands as the timeless treatment to the enduring appeal of the franchise. Star Wars Dark Forces, initially revealed in 1995 by LucasArts. Dark Forces thrusts players into the heart of the galactic civil war, offering an immersive and action-packed journey throughout the iconic sci-fi universe. Now the game returns, and remastered for the modern consoles and the PCs, within its gripping narrative, atmospheric narrative design, and beloved classic among the fans of both Star Wars and the first-person shooters. So, Star Wars Dark Force, it's an amazing game which catapults players into the heart of the galactic civil war, offering an immersive and action-packed journey throughout the Star Wars universe. Well, the first-person shooter stands as a testament to enduring the appeal of the franchise and the innovation spirit of its developers. Set in a period between The New Hope and The Empire Strikes Back, Star Wars Dark Forces Remastered reintroduced the players to enigmatic mercenary Kyle Katarn, a character who would become a fan favorite in the expanded Star Wars universe, as the Katarn player embarked on a series of previous missions, ranging from infiltrating Imperial bases to sabotaging the Imperial's most deadly weapons. Gameplay-wise, the Dark Forces excel in delivering intense and satisfying actions, armed with the array of the blasters, explosive, and the other icon Star Wars weapons. Player must utilize the strategy and skills to overcome implemented forces and complete their objectives. The diverse arsenal, coupled with the responsible controls and challenging enemy encounters, ensures that each firefighting is a thrilling test of reflexes and integrity. As you can see in the below screenshot, anyways, come on, Dark Forces shares a lot of similarities to the other games released in its era, such as Doom, Wolfenstein 3D, and Quake. The remaster managed to keep the same known retro vibe alive, while breathing a new life into and making it feel fresh and interesting. Its blend of the classic first-person shooter gameplay and iconic Star Wars elements makes a unique, enduring experience for the fan of genre and the franchise alike. Dark Forces offers something than gameplay experience, with the main campaign spanning over a dozen of missions, each taking around 30 minutes to complete, or maybe an hour, depends on you, and exploration tendencies. Additionally, the game features bonus objectives and the secret areas, enquiring replayability and extending the total playtime from the competitions. All this comes together beneath the host of considerate accessibility options. The developers knew what they're doing with these, including options to get rid of unnecessary flashing, head bobbing, and much more in order to make the player experience comfortable. Beyond its engaging gameplay, Dark Forces boasts a compelling narrative that seamlessly weaves into the broader Star Wars saga. As the player unravels the mysteries surrounding the Empire's sinister plans, they encounter familiar faces from the films and encounter new allies and adversaries alike. The story of Kyle Katarn's journey from the mercenary to rebel hero is both captivating and poignant, adding the depth of the immersive world. One of the most striking aspects of the Dark Force is its atmospheric level design. From the claustrophobic corridors of Imperial installations to the sprawling landscapes of alien worlds, each environment is richly detailed and brimming with the Star Wars love. Whenever navigating treacherous lava pits on the volcanic world of Solaris or battling stormtroopers amidst the industrial decay of Nar Shaddaa, players are fully immersed in the signs and sounds of the galaxy far, far away. So, Star Wars Forces features a painterly graphic style that replaced the old pixel arts and style of the original. This change serves to modernize the overall feel of the game, and the Dark Forces presents its attention to the detail and atmospheric visuals. Players traverse diverse landscapes from the melancholic interiors of Imperial installations to get rugged terrain of the alien worlds. Each environment is richly textured and intricately designed, immersing the players in the immersive world of Star Wars. Additionally, character and enemy sprites are very animated and instantly recognizable, with the iconic figures like the stormtroopers, Imperial officers, and menacing the dark troopers brought to life in this painfully art form. The art direction effectively captures the aesthetics of the original Star Wars trilogy, with the designs that evoke the classical sci-fi elements of the franchise. Speaking of the design, sound design plays a crucial role in enhancing the improvement experience of the Star Wars Dark Forces. The game features an iconic soundtrack composed by Clint Bajikan, which incorporates themselves from the motifs from the Star Wars films while introducing the original compositions that complement the action-packed gameplay. From the moment the players embark on the missions, they are greeted by the family sound of the blaster of fire explosion and iconic Star Wars sound effects. The hum of the lightsabers, the roar of the TIE fighters, and the omniscient march of Imperial forces all contribute to immersive audio landscapes of the game. Voice acting also plays a significant role in bringing the characters to life. The dialogue, delivered in a manner of faithful the tone of the Star Wars films. Whenever it's the star commands of the Imperial officers or witty bantered allies, the voice acting adds deep the personality to the game cast of the characters. Overall, the graphic style and the sound design, it's the Star Wars Dark Forces into tandem for create a mercenary and mesmeric experience that transplants the player to the galaxy far, far away. Despite the technical limitations of its time, Dark Forces remains a standout title in the Star Wars gaming library, thanks to its not small to memorable visuals and an iconic audio design. Star Wars Forces' timeless gameplay and enduring appeal make it a must-play for the Star Wars fans and enthusiasts of classic first-person shooters alike. With its unforgettable characters, thrilling actions, and immersive world-building, Star Wars Forces remains as a shining gem in the galaxy of the game classics. Star Wars Dark Remaster is the masterclass in the storytelling and the gameplay, offering players an unforgettable journey in the Star Wars universe. Whether you're a die-hard fan or a newcomer for the franchise, this iconic first-person shooter is sure to leave you lasting impressions and remind you why Star Wars continues to captivate audience of all of the ages. Well, yep, that's it for today. Bye!